Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to watch YouTube in your car or any other app that you want to use in your car using the car bridge, guys. So this is super insane and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So let's get right into the video. This is like prepared for all the years 2024 updated version, guys. So let's get straight into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. I mean, this is by far the best method. As you can see, I have all the settings here, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it. Guys, so as you can see, I have all the settings in here, like bridged apps, all this stuff. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So what you need to do is go to Zoo Mods. This site has all the mods for apps and games. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar and just type in car bridge. And as you can see, it says car bridge, and you download it and you're good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and it actually works. And if you go to the search bar and type in car bridge or something like that, you can see nothing comes up. So let me just type it in right here. So as you can see, there's no results. It's just this car bridge car remote play, which doesn't work. And then there's web link host, which is not what we're looking for. But when we go to most critical, you can see it says app doesn't work, doesn't work. So basically, if you want to get CarBridge, you need to go to this Zoo Mods site. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. It fully works, guys. So be sure to get the word out. This is wild and true. Look at that, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys, and it fully works. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super awesome. It's like updated and everything like that. So yeah, super cool. It's so awesome, bro. This actually works. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and try it out if you do want to have CarBridge and watch YouTube in your car. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. It's totally updated and everything like that. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. It fully works. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. See you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. So I hope you enjoyed it. And peace out.